one. So I know I keep talking about a consultation call this, consultation call that. Let me explain exactly what you get into a consultation call. By reviewing some accounts that I found on my feed, I will go into it, give some tips and tricks on how they can improve. So let's just get into it. First we have OH Other. They help out Amazon FBA sellers. Okay, first off, they have 1,300 viewers, and that's great. It's just important to see the amount of likes they do have. So 2 likes, 2 likes. Okay, that tells me that either they're not using good hashtags or keywords. So our advice here would be to try and change up the description, get some keywords in there so they get more reach, and also get their followers to see more of their stuff. On the technical side, I see here a couple of posts that are different with font, with colors, with the overall look of it. So what we would do if you were our clients, pick 3 colors max, 1 font, and send us some inspiration that you like for graphic designs. And what we would do is create a template for you, so whenever you have the need to post pictures or graphic designs like this, they will always be cohesive and you will have the same look on your feed as well. It wouldn't be random things. Also, another thing I notice here is that they like doing memes, and I love that. I love a business with good sense of humor. What we would suggest here is the same thing, just to make a template about memes, so we will have a good cohesive look for the memes. So we don't see the full font on top, we do not see the captions. If we were editing this video, the captions would be like right here, a little below the chin, so people can still read the text and see the face, and it will be all together. So we would do something like that just to make it more polished. We never recommend reposting videos. If you've uploaded it on TikTok and you download from TikTok and then upload it on Instagram, it can hurt your video because the algorithm on Instagram doesn't like videos from TikTok being uploaded, and vice versa. For the videos, we can make them more polished. I have a few ideas that can make them look better. We can just make them be 1 on top, 1 on the bottom. In the middle, we can have the captions, and then we can have the logo as well, and it will be much clearer, more zoomed in, more focusing on their faces, because right now we have this much space and everything is happening in that little space. That's why it's good when you have video editors or brand manager on your team, because they take care of these little things so you don't have to think about it. So usually in a consultation call, we go through all of the platforms. So we look through Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and maybe some other accounts if the client uses something else. Creating content is not that easy, especially when you have a busy day. So that's why we're here to help. All you'll have to do is just film for a few hours a month, and the rest will be handled. We'll post for you, research for you, video edit for you, do all the graphic designs, and you won't have to worry about the thing except filming and reviewing your content when it's ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Media Marvels and follow us on our other social media. Until next time.